Hi guys, it's Georgie here from the Marine Discovery Centre again, just showcasing another one of our beautiful South Australian marine animals. So here in this tank we have our big-bellied seahorses, also called pot-bellied seahorses, and they are so named for the shape of their bodies, their bellies that come out from their bodies. These are the biggest seahorses we get in South Australia, and you'll find them in seagrass or seaweed areas here in South Australia. They do get up to be about 25 to 30 centimetres long. So these seahorses, we've got 6 in our tank. As you can see, 2 of our seahorses have already been adopted by 2 supporters of the centre. They've actually named our seahorses Patrick and Billy. So we do still have 4 beautiful seahorses who are here ready to be adopted. You guys can come and feed them and name them as well yourselves. We have 4 males and 2 females in our tank here. And the reason we can tell which are males and which are females is based on their belly. So they do have big shaped bellies, however the males, as you can see, have a pouch on their belly. So they have a flat part on their belly, usually a yellow or a white colour, and this is their pouch where they will actually carry the baby seahorses. So it is the male of the species who will look after the babies for the longest amount of time. The female will lay her eggs inside the pouch, and those eggs will develop inside there for about 4 to 6 weeks until the babies have hatched from the eggs, and then they're actually given birth by the father. So that's how we can tell which ones are our male seahorses. These guys we feed very small food, so that's based on how they feed in the wild. They have very, very small mouths, and it's a bit in the shape of like a straw. They basically suck up their food like a straw, using a very fast motion of their head. So we feed them either mysis shrimp or brine shrimp, which have been frozen and then dissolved in some seawater. So we feed these guys a couple of times throughout each day, and this is because they actually don't have a stomach, so which means they can't store their food. They've got to keep eating some little bits of food all throughout the day so that they do have enough energy to swim around the tank. And we have a very tall tank for our seahorses compared to some of our other tanks around the centre, and this actually allows them to perform their courtship dances. So when the male and the female are courting, they'll actually dance up and down the tank, and it's really, really beautiful thing to watch. So I'm going to add some food in, and you guys can have a look at how our seahorses eat. So if you watch closely, you may see some of our seahorses making a very, very quick motion with their heads, and this basically creates a suction, and they can suck up these Artemia or brine shrimp. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and we hope you guys keep watching, and we'll see you next time.